What's going on, guys? This is ZPB Steers here, and today I'm going to be watching a video about the Ratchet Clank Flash game called The Odd Couple. Now, you're probably confused and wondering, well, if it's a Flash game, how come it's not a ZPB Plays video? Well, I'm more watching the video rather than I am playing it, and plus, Flash is pretty much dead, besides the Ruffle emulator, which runs sluggishly on my computer, but now, ever since I bought a copy of the 2016 Ratchet Clank movie video game on my PS4, I started to get attached to this franchise. So, yeah, and without further ado, let's begin. Oh, and take no notice of the subtitles. This is the only video of this Flash game that shows it in its entirety. But it is pretty weird, I'll give them that. Okay. This is an old... Okay. This is from an old website. Okay, there's some gameplay footage from Ratchet Clank on the television screen, which runs like a PS1 cutscene, by the way. Oh, who threw the can at the TV? Insomniac Games and Random Media presents. Well, we know Insomniac Games, they made the Ratchet Clank franchise to begin with. But I don't know what Random Media is. Is it a real company, or was it just made up for this one short? Anyway, let's continue. The Odd Couple. Okay, creative direction Mickey Stretton, animation by Stefan Moynihan and Simon Oliver. Nope, never heard of these people. Okay, music by Luke Keane, models by Chloe George, Duncan Bone. Casting by Insomniac. Well, I doubt they casted some actual voice actors to star in this game. Anyway, let's continue. Okay, wait. Courtesy of LucasArts. Wait. I thought Ratchet Clank was published by Sony Computer Entertainment, not LucasArts. Darth Vader. Okay. He's not a Ratchet Clank character. Okay. That was weird. Let's continue. Okay, there's Ratchet Clank. Well, Ratchet's fur is a bit pale. And they're in a suburban house's room for some reason. I thought this series was set in the near future. Okay, wait, what's that? What's Captain Quo doing in a closet, and why is he ball gagged? Oh, better. Now, I told you to take no notice of the subtitles, but that subtitle definitely relates to me, because what the heck is that?
Better not let Ratchet see this one.
Oh, did you just say, better not let Ratchet see it? Okay. And I don't see what's so funny about that. Anyway, let's continue. Okay. Oh, Ratchet's got a phone call. I wonder who it is.
Hello?
Wait, that's not Ratchet's voice. He sounded much more young and jovial and whatever. Now I know in the first game he was voiced by Mikey Kelly, and from the second game onwards he was voiced by James Arnold Taylor, best known as the voice of Obi-Wan in various Star Wars animated media. Oh, that breathing sounds familiar, and... What? Darth Vader? What's he doing in a Ratchet & Clank production? Now that disclaimer makes sense. Okay. And plus, how come, Disney hasn't seized the opportunity to add Ratchet and Clank movie and Life of Pi on Disney Plus. I'm guessing they haven't seen this short. That's probably for the best. Okay, what's going on now? Okay, he's got some scissors. What is he going to do now? Oh, is he going to cut his friend's antenna with them? What? He's wearing underpants and he's got human legs. Oh my god, that's one disturbing sight. Although, admittedly, obviously not as disturbing as the ending of Shed 17. Ugh. And I don't see how that's funny. That's disturbing. Okay, what's going on now? Okay, he's going to put on some music. Oh, and they're dancing. Too bad it's animated like a PS1 cutscene, like I mentioned earlier. Okay, Ratchet's holding a banana like a gun.
You talking to me?
Okay, and he's now talking like Robert De Niro. Okay, he's twirling it.
Who the hell else are you talking? You talking to me?
Again, he's sounding like Robert De Niro instead of Mikey Kelly or James A. Taylor. Okay. Okay. Then now there's an advert for the Ratchet and Clank website, which, considering this is from 2002, I mean it's long since abandoned. You'll probably get a 404 error if you try. Okay. I'm putting some more music on and... Okay. What's going on now? Okay. Oh, they're dancing like a married couple. And Ratchet's tail is missing for some reason. Why are they dancing like that? Well, both Ratchet and Clank are male, so why are they dancing like a loved couple? I don't know what's going on here. Can you explain? You probably don't know what's going on either, so that's a silly question. Okay, there's a fly just then. Okay, they're still dancing like a loved couple. Okay, how long are they going to dance for? Okay, he just stopped. Okay. Oh, another phone call. I wonder who is this time. Possibly someone else.
Hello?
Nope, it's Darth Vader again. I should have known. Oh, no, by the way, that's the end of the video. There's another version, but it's got worse quality, so I'm not going to waste time watching that version. So, well, that's certainly an interesting piece of Ratchet and Clank media that a lot of people haven't watched, and it's probably for the best considering that Captain Quark is ball-gagged, Clank has human legs, and Ratchet talking like Robert De Niro while holding a banana. I mean, you couldn't make this stuff up, honestly. Well, that's the end of this reaction. Make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. This is ZPB Studios, signing off.